In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a content delivery network, or CDN, using Hostinger's hPanel. This setup is going to help you enhance your website's loading speed and improve its overall performance for visitors around the globe. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Hostinger hPanel. Make sure you've got your credentials handy, as this is the platform where you'll be managing your website's hosting and associated services. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. It's quite user-friendly and offers a variety of features that are easy to navigate. Now let's focus on finding the CDN section. Slowly scroll through the dashboard until you spot an option named CDN, or alternatively, a link to integrate with Cloudflare. Both options are available and either will serve our purpose. In case you wonder what a CDN does, it essentially helps in distributing your website's content globally so that visitors from various parts of the world have quicker access due to servers being geographically closer to them. This is especially beneficial if you expect international traffic to your website. Once you've located the CDN or Cloudflare integration section, click on it. Here, you'll see an option to enable the CDN services specifically for your domain. Make sure you select the domain you intend on improving, especially if you handle multiple websites. By enabling the service, you're taking a significant step towards decreasing your site's load times, which in turn improves user experience. This part is typically straightforward, often involving just a few clicks. Next, we dive into configuring some settings. After enabling the CDN, there's an option to adjust settings such as cache control and SSL. Cache control will help manage the temporary storage of your site's content for faster retrieval, ensuring repeated visitors experience quicker load times. SSL ensures that data exchange between the user's browser and the server is encrypted and secure, which is vital for any site handling user information. Spend some time checking that these settings align with your needs and preferences. Once you've reviewed these configurations, it's time to save your changes. Don't worry if you think you might have missed a step. Most settings allow for adjustments even after you're done with initial configuration. Finally, it's time to test the improvements. After saving, check your website's loading speed. There are many online tools available that can gauge how quickly your pages are loading and offer insights on performance. This is your moment to assess whether the changes have made a tangible improvement and whether any further tweaks might be necessary. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a CDN using Hostinger's hPanel. This small but impactful upgrade will enhance your site's delivery performance, supporting a smoother experience for all your visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope your website sees the performance boost you're anticipating.